Hello and welcome to our instructional video on how to solve the quadratic equation 6 x squared plus x1. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of finding the roots of this quadratic equation. So grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. Step 1 to solving the quadratic expression 6x squared plus x minus 1 is to factor it. First, we look for two numbers that multiply to 6 times minus 1, which equals minus 6, and add up to the coefficient of x, which is 1. These two numbers are 3 and minus 2, so we rewrite the expression as 6x squared plus 3x minus 2x minus 1. Here, we split the middle term, x, into two terms, 3x and minus 2x. Which allows us to factor by grouping later on in the process. Step 2 to solving the quadratic expression 6x squared plus 3x minus 2x minus 1 is to factor by grouping. First, we group the terms into two pairs, 6x squared plus 3x and minus 2x minus 1. By factoring out the greatest common factor from each pair, we get 3x times 2x plus 1 minus 1 times 2x plus 1. Notice that 2x plus 1 is a common factor in both terms, so we can factor 2x plus 1 out of the expression, giving us the simplified form of the initial quadratic, 2x plus 1 times 3x minus 1. This is the final step in simplifying the quadratic expression 6x squared plus x minus 1. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.